The Ukrainian attacks on Russian vessels continue. After yesterday's attack on Russian landing ship, which was damaged after the drone strike, last night the Ukrainian Secret Service SBU blew up a large oil tanker of the Russian Federation, which was transporting fuel for Russian troops. According to SBU sources, the special operation took place according to the classic scenario. A naval drone, 450 kilograms of TNT, an explosion. As a result, one of the most powerful oil tankers of the Russian Federation began a negative navigation near the Crimean Bridge. The fire after the vessel was struck could be seen from afar. The large Russian oil tanker SIG is one of Russia's best tankers, 5,000 tons and built in 2014. Images are showing damage to the bridge, officer berthing, and flooded engine room of the Russian-flagged oil tanker SIG, leaving the vessel without power. Russian media were confused and in panic last night. They thought that the Kerch Bridge was struck again.
Внимание на рейде Темрюка, говорит Кавказ трафик. Наблюдается в Керченском проливе атака дронов беспилотных, надводных и воздушных. Есть инциденты в Керченском проливе. Пожалуйста, всем судам на якоре усилить наблюдение. В случае обнаружения докладывать Кавказ трафику и усилить наблюдение.
And let's see the other battlefield. Ukraine deploying cluster ammunition in Orikhiv district, Zaporizhzhia region. Sound on.
Але, як ви бачите, все в порядку.
A refrigerator stolen from Ukraine was spotted among some damaged Russian military equipment in Rostov-on-Don in Russia. The local Russian filming ridicules the army for being thieves. Surely they can't leave the battlefield empty-handed. This is Russia. There is a video from the Latvian city of Ludza, through which equipment is being transferred to the border with Belarus for planned exercises. After the redeployment of PMC Wagner to Belarus, Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia announced about the strengthening of their borders due to possible provocations.
Это нихуя себе!
Это что такое? А ты мне скинешь на телефон? Я не умею. А это что? Ёпарасоте. Это на Европу чешут они? Не знаю, куда они чешут. А? На Россию куда-то. А ты мне потом тоже скинешь? Я не умею, это надо у Яны спрашивать. О, ёбаный, а это у нас столько есть, что ли? Это что, война? Да сообщили бы тебе. А бля, сколько их? А мы уступили. Мне, блядь, надо сюда это сделать. Куда? Краснодар?
This is Halina Lubova, deputy of Kherson City Council, former and probably future military chief of administration of Kherson, made especially for all you. Watch it, so you can see through my eyes what is it in Antonivka and Kherson right now.
Thank you, all the people who support our country, who supports our heroic city Kherson. Now I am in Antonivka. It is the region in Kherson which under the shelling all the time. 24 hours a day we have shelling. And now I want that you to see all the terrible tragedy of Russian world here. You can see here the thousands, the hundreds destroyed houses. But here we have 1,080 inhabitants, and among them we have 26 children, and they are all the time in the basement. There is no electricity here, there is no water, there is no nothing. Here only the result of Russian war. Russians, I hate you, and I apologize you, my dear friends, people who support us, who denote us, who believe to our victory. You have so great hearts, and these hearts are full of love to my country, to my people, and to the citizens of this village. Thank you very much for your support. My citizens, my city Kherson, and my country Ukraine will have never forget your help. Thank you, and thank you. And I want to thank especially very great thanks a lot to Romania people. And now I'm here with your representative of your country. It is my friend now. It is very nice man. It is a support, it is a strong hand. Josu Radu, thank you very much for your support, and thank you very much for Romanian people who understand how to win for victory. You are great people. Thank you very much.
And for the end, little history. This happened 3 years ago. The Beirut explosion is considered one of the most powerful artificial non-nuclear explosions in history. It was equivalent to around 1.1 kilotons of TNT and generated a 3.3 magnitude earthquake.
سلمى سلمى ما تقدر يا لطيف قدر قدر قدر
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.